Hello and welcome guys to a new episode of Gaming featuring God of Time. So today I'm going to tell you about this game called Cover Fire. Now in the description it says it is one of the best offline shooting games. So I had downloaded it in a little while back to see how it works. So I have not updated it. I had opened it also. So let me just show you how it actually works. Let me just start. So this is the starting of this. So this is basically, let me just reduce the volume a little. So this is basically a campaign type game, plus there are certain more different modes like this events, zombies underground, and there are supplies crate available, and we can purchase them or we can get them for free like this. Plus let us just see how a level of this works. Let us just go into campaign mode, and there is 10 energy, and we can get just start by level 1, and 1 energy goes for each level. Now one of the main reasons I didn't like this game was because there is no movement button. You cannot move your character on your own. Let me just show another. See, one level was completed. So as a PUBG player, I would like to, my thumb automatically goes to the character, moving the character function. So that thing is not in this game. You just have to use one hand, or you can use just one single thumb to just aim and fire. So that is the main drawback of this game. See, I'm only using one thumb right now. It's all in this. You can just do the objectives, but it's just aim and fire. There's no movement. Your character moves automatically. So it's not that fun. It just takes out a little fun out of the game. So all in all, but it is an offline game, so you can just download and keep it. Does not have that online issue that you need an internet connection always. See, it shows that special effect on headshots, and the missions are also very small missions. So that is how this game works. All in all, it's a fine game, but it is a bit boring because the missions are very easy, and I wouldn't actually recommend it if you are into more like Free Fire or PUBG playing person, because the thumb movement becomes a bit irritating. Like your thumb always goes to the character movement, but that button is not there. It's only aim and fire. So I would not recommend for those players. For if you're just looking for a time pass for some time, it is a cool game. So I will just rate it like 2.5 stars out of 5. And that is all for today's video. Thank you.